Hello again, you join me in my shed. A little while ago I made a video on a Parkside bandsaw that I bought from Lidl, where I swapped the 6mm blade that comes with it for a 12mm blade. The 6mm blade wasn't particularly good and I wanted a 12mm for ripping timber. But I've just bought a 3mm blade. Well, it's actually 3.1-ish mil. It's 1/8 of an inch for doing detailed work. Now, it did take a little while to set the guide pins in the right position. So when the blade comes down, it guides it in line, and it's got a little roller wheel at the back, like a little bearing to guide it from the rear. And it seems to be okay. It does say in the manual you can only go down to 3.5 mil. Well, this is 3 mil, and it seems okay. I've given it a quick trial run, which you'll see in the video, but I'm not an expert. So if you want to do similar, please do your own research first. This is just showing what I've done. And I say up to now it's okay. I'll probably do a video later down the line when I've played around with it a bit more. So yeah, here it is, and yeah, thanks for watching. I think that's in the right position. The gully of the blade in the middle of the rubber tyre, so I can nip this off now. Now I can set all the pins so it's just missing the blade. So that's it fitted. As you can see, that little hook I made, 12 on top, just to represent 12mm, of course. I'll probably make one for the 3mm blade as well. Like I say, I'm not an expert. The way I've fitted the blade on the pulley wheel is the gully of the teeth is dead centre on the pulley wheel itself, on the tyre, which is the way I think is usual practice. But because of that, the teeth on the blade actually pass by the guide pins. So I'm thinking, if any pressure is put on either side, is that going to damage the teeth if it's not sitting proud? Or do I move the blade slightly to the front of the pulley wheel so the teeth sit proud of the guide pins? Let me know what you think. Stick a comment below. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and please subscribe if you want to watch more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers.